welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my laundry room makeover during quarantine. Okay, here is the before. I came home from getting epoxy. We used to have a black 3-tier shelf here, and I had like laundry baskets. I have to see if I have a video. And so we took that out because it was taking up too much space. There's my crock pot from Christmas, but we're putting a shelf here and we're gonna epoxy that. All this stuff was from the shelf. My husband threw that on there, but I got these letters that say wash, and I'm gonna spray paint them, and that's gonna be a decor shelf only. And then I'm gonna paint all of this a pretty yellow. Can't wait to show you. DIY project number 5052. Okay, so here I am on day 1, which was a Friday, and I have started painting. I did not tape off my walls, only on the bottom, but I'm a pretty good painter. I've been painting since I was a little kid, so sometimes I'm like, yeah, I don't need the paint. But this was on Friday. Painting took me 2.5 days. I started on Friday, put the second coat on Saturday, and then Sunday we touched up a bit. Okay, so far this is what it looks like. I'm going to tackle this side, and I got everything cleared off, wiped it down. So here we go. And the epoxy, my husband did 2 coats yesterday, and see, it's super glossy now, and that's what you want, a 2-coat glossy finish that I could put stuff on here and it won't get damaged. All right, almost there. I will say the last wall that I did was this wall right here with the laundry shelf in there, and that wall was the hardest wall I did because of that shelf, painting above, having to reach all the way, and then painting underneath. And then as you can see, all of the short corners and nooks and crannies that it had. So this wall definitely gave me an arm workout. But then you will also notice that I put cardboard over the new epoxied shelf, and the reason why I did that was so that the new paint that I was painting would not splatter on the epoxy, because if your paint does splatter on the epoxy, it will get stuck in your shelf and it is very hard to get out. Okay, so it looks so good in here. We finally finished. Did about 2 to 3 coats. My husband still has to do a few more coats up at the very top because I couldn't reach all that, but for the most part I did everything myself. I got these cute plants at Ross. Ross is officially open in my city, and everything was 80% off. So I'm gonna put these in the corners, and then I have words that are gonna, or letters that are gonna say wash, and I can't wait to show you guys. All right, next up, I am repainting my wash letters because when I spray painted them, we were having to spray paint over and over again. The cardboard was just sucking up the paint. So I had some leftover black fabric paint, and that's what I went ahead and repainted my letters with, and it turned out perfectly. And now here I am, finally starting to decorate, taking the price tags off of my plants, and then just trying to figure out how I want them positioned up on the shelf. So I'm gonna have these 2 plants here, one on the right side, one on the left side, and then the wash letters will go in between that. I tried not to match the plants because I've learned that mixing and matching really comes out better than having stuff completely identical. All right, my laundry room is almost complete. I found some really cute stuff from Hobby Lobby. The laundry wall decor was 50% off, so I went and just bought what catched my eye. My colors are yellow, white, and black, so I found that cute little laundry sign, and I wanted to make sure I had signs on each of the walls so it fills up space. And then next I'm hanging my wash and dry tags. I wanted to show different levels with this. So at first I played with it and I hung them side by side, but I didn't really care for how it looked, as you see. So then I just lowered the dry tag down a little bit, and I loved how it came out. All right, so now since I'm done painting now and hanging, now I am putting back all of the laundry items where I would like them to go, putting up my dryer sheets in the cart, as well as my laundry detergent and laundry remover. And then I have already placed my paper towels in the basket, as well as my toilet paper. And then in that middle basket there, I'm putting stuff in there such as trash bags, extra soap to refill in our half bathroom, as well as the kitchen. And so I'm just tidying up before I show you guys the final reveal. Okay, here's the final reveal of one of my quarantine DIY projects. Laundry room. Okay, so this is the room and I love it. It feels so refreshing. I love the color. This was all inspired by Pinterest. This was inspired by Pinterest. I found these vases at Ross. I think I said that earlier in another video. Then I found these cute baskets at Hobby Lobby. They look like this with the insert, but on Pinterest I saw like showing the paper towels and the toilet paper, and that'll help me so I know how much is left over when I go grocery shopping when I need to buy it. And then this one I put like the extra soap, trash bags, any like plastic utensils, so stuff that I don't want to have to go to the garage for, I'll put there. I want to kind of put something small here and here to cover up those pipes. And then this was inspired by Pinterest as well. It came out so nice, and I have to decide if I really like this cart here. We got this cart when we moved in, but I don't know if I just want to move this stuff here. I don't know. I have to see if I like that. Then I got this awesome sign for like literally $5 at Hobby Lobby. All their wall decor stuff is 50% off. Then I found this as well, 50% off. My little one is crying. I don't know why she's crying. And then I want to try to find something to put here, but I didn't just want to buy anything. And then that's where our iron is gonna go. Our original iron doesn't fit here, so I have to buy, I have to buy the iron that fits for this. And then we had this before, but I found this on Amazon, and it's just where you can hang like your dusters, your mops, your brooms, so we love that. And then I also saw this on Pinterest for home organizing. I had this before we started this room decor too. I need to finish labeling some things and kind of dust it out because bugs fly in there and get in there. But anything I use for households, instead of keeping them in a cabinet, you just put on the back of the door. And if I do add anything in here, I will show you guys, but I wanted to show you my Pinterest inspired room. My paint came from Walmart, the color place. I will put it in the notes as far as what color it is, because I can't remember off the top of my head, but if I do add more, I will show you guys this complete. Here's the other sign I found from Hobby Lobby to put on that empty wall. And if you would love to see more, please subscribe.